Okay, let's see if we can record some pronunciation guidance on this speaking grid. So hopefully you'll see the parts highlighted as I speak them. Internet. I'm not going to pause every time. You can pause the video and repeat after me. Qu'est-ce que tu fais en ligne? Qu'est-ce que tu fais en ligne? Moi. Ah, my mouse is messing around. Personnellement, en ligne, sur mon ordi, sur ma tablette, sur mon téléphone, sur mon portable. Je fais beaucoup de choses. Je fais pas mal de choses. Je fais pas grand-chose. That's a bit slangish, that's what the star means. Oh, it's written down. I forgot I'd written it down. So after this introductory sentence, you can move on to say en général, or d'habitude, or la plupart du temps, or any other time phrase you might have une fois par semaine, deux fois par semaine. And then you could go back to je fais as your verb, and then des quiz. So je fais des quiz. Je fais des recherches pour mes devoirs. Je fais des achats. We could also say je partage. And je partage des photos. Je partage des vidéos. Je partage des shorts. Je partage des réels. I'm not entirely sure everybody in France would say it that way, but that's the way I've heard it last weekend on YouTube by a French YouTuber, so I'm going to go with their pronunciation. That's the problem having moved to England. I don't know how French people talk about modern stuff that's been created since. Anyway, je partage des publications inspirantes, ou je partage des publications marrantes, je partage des playlists, j'envoie des emails. My mouse is not right again, I dropped it too many times. And then we have another verb, je vais, so you could say je vais sur, oh my god, this mouse is driving me crazy, crazy. And the cat's tail is in the way, which is also not helping. Je vais sur mes sites préférés. Je vais sur des blogs. Je vais sur des forums. Je vais sur les réseaux sociaux. Which I'm not managing to highlight. There you go. Je vais sur les réseaux sociaux. You could also say sur des réseaux sociaux. That would work. Je vais sur Twitter. Je vais sur Instagram. French people call that Insta as well. Je vais sur Insta. Je vais sur TikTok. And then you can have your connective et or ou. The highlighting is really not good because the mouse is not working well. J'écoute de la musique.